Look closely at this curve. Every time you pull a Lay's classic chip from the bag, you expect this exact pristine geometry. It is a perfectly identical, unblemished golden saddle. But nature doesn't grow flawless saddles. Underground, raw potatoes are wildly irregular, riddled with odd shapes and bruises, and caked in dirt. Getting them out of the ground requires brute force. Specialized heavy machinery drives through the fields, ripping entire plants, roots, rocks, dirt, and all, from 10 inches deep in the soil. To keep the factory lines moving, this extraction happens on a massive scale. The facility takes in 750 tons of those raw, dirty spuds every single day, just to output a steady 4 tons of finished chips every hour. Managing that chaotic harvest means the factory must filter, sort, and reshape the crop until only the perfect spuds remain. The first major battle on the factory floor is separation. Out of that massive 750-ton daily intake, the facility has to rapidly isolate only the highest quality potatoes. They do this using hyper-fast optical scanners paired with nimble pneumatic robotic arms. These robotic arms dart across the conveyor, identifying and ejecting clumps of dirt and bruised potatoes faster than the human eye can track. The surviving potatoes are then sent through a high-powered water vortex. Scrubbing millions of potatoes spotless is obviously crucial for food safety, but it's equally important for protecting the delicate downstream precision machinery from being scratched by abrasive dirt. Now the factory faces the geometry problem. To achieve that signature curve and a uniform crunch, they have to force these wildly irregular crops into an exact identical thickness. This diagram shows a centrifugal drum slicer. As it spins, powerful centrifugal force flings potatoes outward against stationary, razor-sharp blades along the perimeter. Every single slice must hit a strict target metric, an exact thickness of 0.06 inches. Missing that measurement by even a fraction causes the chips to either turn out flat and heavy or curl so tightly they lose their signature shape. Even if the slice is mathematically perfect, the factory still has to deal with starch. Raw potato slices are coated in natural surface starch, which acts like glue and will cause a whole batch to stick together. To prevent this, the slices tumble through a multi-stage water bath and take a hit from high-pressure water jets, specifically designed to strip away all that surface starch before they reach the heat. From there, the slices enter a 40-foot-long continuous fryer. They are completely submerged in a massive volume of boiling oil, cooking the perfectly sliced chips entirely in roughly 3 minutes. The oil is a carefully guarded secret. Lay's uses a strict 50-50 blend of fresh and used oil. Entirely fresh oil makes the chips overwhelmingly greasy, while entirely old oil turns them dark and bitter. That iconic golden color and consistent flavor isn't a natural occurrence. It requires a strictly maintained chemical equilibrium inside the fryer. Once out of the hot oil, a new physical threat emerges. A freshly fried 0.06-inch thick potato chip moving at high speeds is incredibly fragile. The factory absolutely cannot use standard rotating conveyor belts at this stage. Any normal tumbling movement would instantly crush the product into unsellable dust. So look at how they move here. Instead of belts, the entire system relies on gentle vibration. The tracks physically shake to gently bounce the golden chips forward along the metal mesh without breaking them. While bouncing along, the chips pass through one final gauntlet, a hypersensitive optical sorter. This machine scans up to 400 slices every single second, constantly searching for burnt edges or brown spots. When a camera spots a defect, the machine fires a pinpoint jet of air with millimeter accuracy, blowing the faulty chip completely out of the product stream in midair. Surviving this production line is an intense test of physics, ensuring that only those chips possessing absolute structural perfection ever make it to the seasoning phase. Inside a rapid-fire spinning drum, spices are funneled onto the chips while they are still hot, ensuring an even edge-to-edge coating. The seasoned chips are then pulled upward into a complex 120-head high-speed weighing system. This machine rapidly calculates the optimal combination of chips from dozens of different trays to hit the exact required ounce count for every individual bag. To keep these chips intact until they reach your house, Lay's flushes every bag with nitrogen gas. This engineered atmosphere is the specific reason why the bags feel inflated on the store shelf. This diagram illustrates exactly what that nitrogen does. First, it displaces oxygen to halt the staling process. Second, those gas molecules create rigid outward pressure, acting as a physical pneumatic cushion to protect the fragile cargo during global shipping. Every bite of a potato chip is the result of a chain of industrial robotics, fluid dynamics, and chemistry, all working together to ensure that